Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you link Google Merchant Center to your Google Ads? Well, it's going to be really quick. So, first and foremost, let's just go ahead to our Google Merchant Center right now. Okay, so once we are here, we just go ahead and click this for a little bit. All right. Now, in here, you could basically go ahead and sign in. So, depending on your Google account, whether it's connected or not, so basically, what you have to do is click on Start Now, and it'll automatically connect your Google account. It all depends on, okay, see that? Sign into ads. It all depends on which account you're using on the Google at the moment. So, once you click on sign on to ads, it'll automatically do that. If you're using the email, if you're using the account that you know you want to on Google. So that's just it, guys. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a nice day.